Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question here. It says HIV enters into option A, helper T cells, option B, cytotoxic T cells, option C, mast cells, option D, none of the above. So what are they asking? They are asking HIV enters into. So which among these are the cells into which the HIV enters, or you can say the HIV attacks? So first of all, what is HIV? HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. What is it? Human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, and this causes a disease called as AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, now which type of cells they mainly attack? They mainly attack macrophages. Macrophages, we all know what are macrophages. These are the ones which will engulf any foreign particles or any dead cells, etc. So they mainly attack macrophages as well as T helper cells. Okay, T helper cells or T head cells, because these T cells, they have their receptors. Okay, the receptors to which suppose these are the T helper cells. Okay, these have these receptors where the viral particle can come and bind. Okay, so that is why mainly these T helper cells will get affected, and there will be reduction in their population, and that is how it will affect our immune system. So reduced immune system or immune response, you would say. Okay, yeah, reduced immunity, that will be the best description due to HIV attack. Okay, now inside the T helper cells, so what happens? They will multiply. Okay, they will inject their genome, that which is nothing but the single stranded RNA. The two copies of single stranded RNA, they're having their enzyme which is called as reverse transcriptase. So they attack the cells and they enter into it. That means they release their component, that is genetic material, that is RNA, and these RNA will get they'll code for DNA. So this process is called as reverse transcription. Reverse transcription. Okay, by which RNA is used as template and DNA is formed. The viral DNA will be formed. Okay, and further viral particles will be coded. So many viral particles will be formed, and these cells will burst out, releasing the particles outside. And that's how there is reduction in T helper cells. Okay, so let us see. Option A says helper T cells. That is absolutely right. So these are type of lymphocytes. You have, basically B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. So among T lymphocytes, you have again different types. Like you have helper T cells, cytotoxic T cells. But this will mainly attack helper T cells because these have receptors for HIV. Receptors for HIV. Okay, so that is why they attack these. So option B says cytotoxic T cells. No, because they don't have receptors for HIV. Option C says mast cells. This again no, because mast cells themselves will act as immune cells by secreting components like histamines, serotonins, etc. Okay, but again these do not have any receptor for HIV. Option D says none of this, which is neutral. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.